We're going camping this week for the first time of the season. Let's get the camper all cleaned up and ready. We pretty much emptied out everything last season when we were done. Yes, honey. But there are some things that we are going to need to get rid of and then we got to clean. We don't need this. We don't need this. Should we get rid of it or should we keep it just in case?
You can get rid of it.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to have a conversation later. And something tells me we're also not going to need this playmat. Oh no, there's definitely stale food in here. We got this when we were up in Vermont. This stuff is so good. It's like freeze-dried maple syrup. Dexter, keep doing what you're doing, handsome. Okay, these were such a great find. I think I got these at Walmart last year. I only have 4 left, but perfect because they're disposable, but it's got all the little compartments, kind of like the ones that we use for the kiddos at home. Kennedy loved eating out of these last time. I gotta get more of these. There's some more stuff up there, but I can't reach it. Thankfully, I have a husband who is 6'4". There's like dried, honestly, probably milk or yogurt. I don't know where this came from because I'm pretty sure we wiped this down.
No, wait.
A little wipe down on the table in case there's any like dirt or dust. Oh, hon, I just realized, should we be bringing some type of booster seat for Gray? Because Kennedy can sit right in here, but Gray might need a booster. There is milk that somebody squirt all over this door. Let's try and keep the milk in our cups this time, you know? Yeah. With the sippy cups that Kennedy used to use, she used to walk around and go like this because she realized that if she went like this, the milk would go everywhere. Yeah, we don't use those anymore.
There you go. Good job.
These bad boys going on. All right. This looks good. Definitely need to go to Walmart because we got to get all toiletries to keep in here all season long. I don't even remember what's in here. Still good. Only other thing we got left is, oh, the smell of the Dreft detergent just got me. It's all of their linens. Oh, the burp clots. I'm trying to think, how old was Grayson? Last time we camped was like October, so he was like 7 months old. The bibs. The little pumpkin PJs say 0 to 3. Are you kidding me? Not the Winnie the Pooh overalls. Oh, this was Grayson's last 4th of July. Oh, no. It appears as though I also did not unpack any of my clothes. So, which is funny because there's a bunch of leggings in here that I've been looking for all winter and I had no idea where they went. Oh, I was looking for this t-shirt. Socks can stay. The socks are fine. We're going to be gone for about 3 or 4 days, so I got to make a whole meal plan. Got to go to Walmart. Got to go to the grocery store. Y'all already know.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.